Alright, so today I have some issues with fans on this computer. I mean, test computer or development computer that I do some testing on a program that I wrote many months ago. And yeah, and I have issues where the fans just rapidly spins up and down, and for some reason just don't work. So when I plug the CPU fan, and obviously I unplug the hard drive, which has SATA and Molex power connectors, but yeah, it's a unique hard drive. So now I'm going to boot up this computer, and obviously plug that power supply. The thing works, as you can see. The optical drive work, the fan works, but these fans don't work. If I wiggle a bit, it doesn't work, and if I wiggle a bit, yeah, like that. So maybe it's a issue with the connector, just a issue with the solder not making the contacts. If I try to set the position of that connector, as you can see, it does work normally. And yeah, let's take out the motherboard from this case, and let's see. Alright, so that's the motherboard. As you can see, it's a very rare motherboard. I probably should make a separate video about the motherboard itself, how I got it, but not today. Today I'm going to fix the CPU fan connector. So yeah, let's inspect that CPU fan header. Carefully. It looks like the solder is a problem. The header is kinda worn out. Yeah, I don't know if I wanted to take out the power supply from the computer itself, but I don't know. But I think I will do. Alright, so I'm going to pull out the power supply just in case. We're gonna do test out. Right, so that's the power supply. Yeah, pretty old power supply, but it's still functional, and even has -5 volts, which is a bit unusual for this computer, because modern PCs don't require -5 volts and possibly -12 volts. So I don't know what's happened to this fan header, but maybe we can try to resolder that connection. So about the soldering tools, well, I'm going to show you. Maybe you will laugh at me for using very old equipment, kind of broken, but it's still functional. So this is a soldering gun from 1980, 1975, I don't know. My dad bought this soldering gun when he was in 20s. Now he's in 60s. So yeah, and obviously I modified the tip. So I used this soldering gun for desoldering USB connector from my main laptop, and I used to desolder and solder back on the audio jack from a TV tuner, which I had issues with audio input for S-video to capture S-video inputs. So yeah, first things first, I'm going to take out the BIOS battery, which is not correctly. Normally it's CR2023, but it's 2025. Not good, but it works at least. So I'm going to, I don't know, set up my camera. Alright, so I'm going to put some flux over here. This is not MTech or something. This is a cheap flux that does the job just fine. Right, so maybe I should get the solder over here. So let's try to reflow here. And possibly add some solder. Now it's already hot. Wow. Now I can't get out that solder. So yeah, I don't have the solder wick. So I'm going to do the manual way. Get out, you stupid little brick. Get out. Get out. Great job, solder. Are you kidding me? Now I'm going to do some magic of cleaning a little bit. Now I don't have a rework station, so that's a big no for me. But at least I can reflow some of the connectors. And yeah, let's test it now. Now let's test fit the connector. I'm using the CPU fan for now, and wow, it is alright. Now I'm going to inspect a little bit to see if I have some solder blobs all over. So it seems like we are good to go. Alright, so let's test this mobile, and I still use the old power supply, and maybe I should get a video. Alright, we are using the onboard widget this time. We don't really need the dedicated video card. Let's see if it posts. Alright, let's see. I have in the diode mode. Let's see. Nothing. Short. Good. Now the ground is here, but we see some resistance, which is not good. If I press, oh, I guess that's the ground. I mistaken. Alright, so let's check out the ground plus speed tachometer. I think it's fine. Now I'm going to plug the power supply. Now let's switch on the power supply and connect the CPU fan, and let's boot up. And there you go, the fan is running. I will let you know if it posts. And it posted. Interesting. With a CMOS error checksum or something like that. Now let's test out the durability of the CPU fan. I don't know how I can do this properly. I think it's rock solid. The connector has been reflowed with a very old soldering gun. Cool. And it seems to be fine. Now I'm going to put the keyboard and mouse, so be careful with it. Now I don't know. No response. Yeah, obviously the ports combo, this large thing, it's kind of warned. So I'm going to restart from there and let's see if it stops. Please enter the setup to recover BIOS setting. So I'm going to move the camera a little bit. Maybe you can't see anything, so let's move the monitor for you guys to see. Alright, that's fine. So the keyboard, it's detected, as you can see, and it just stopped at please enter the setup. Let's enter and let's go to the hardware monitor to see the speed, and let's set the turbo mode, and it should just spin out a little bit faster to improve the cooling. Alright, power, hardware, but not much has been changed. Alright, so now I'm going to put all the parts into the computer and let's see. Alright, let's switch off the power supply. And yeah. Alright, so I think I will put the IO shield that I made some time ago. This is a poorly made IO shield, so I'm not sure if I wanted to plug to put the. I think I will do, at least to have something, you know. Right, now I'm going to put the power supply back in here. First things first, as usual. And I need screws. Yeah, it's pretty dusty, but I don't want to bother to clean up for you guys, because always will get dusty inside, so I will clean up after it has been filled up with dust and lint and crap like that. Maybe I should clean up the mess that I made with some alcohol or something. I mean, it's dangerous to leave this motherboard like that, but haha, it's safe. It's hanging by connectors and stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to put some alcohol. And oh god, oh my god, it's liquid under that chipset. Ugh. Clean that mess. It's not the isopropyl alcohol. It's this alcohol, which doesn't do a very good job at cleaning things. Maybe it shouldn't harm things, but whatever. I'm going to clean up. Alright, so now I'm going to clean up the residue that has been left on those pins. I don't know if you can see, but whatever. Right, let's see on the light. Right, I think it's just cleaned up nicely. Whatever, it's fine. So I'm going to arrange the cables and fit the motherboard. There you go. It's fine, bro. Look at it. It's fine, bro. Whatever. Now put all those 6 screws, I guess. Where's my screwdriver? Oh, it's moving itself. Yeah, it's like a ghost. Let's line up the motherboard because I like it to do this way. There we go. It's aligned. Now I'm going to put all the screws back in the place. There you go. Now I think I have an issue right there, so let's remedy that. It's not in properly. Now it's in properly. Good. Now let's put all the cables. Alright, so now I just plug the things back here. Now I'm going to put the dedicated cards. So this is a GT 710, I mean NVIDIA GeForce GT 710, 1GB version. It is good enough to run Windows 10 and 11 properly, because without it the system will run much slower without that video card. So yeah, now I'm going to put the last 2 screws for the expansion cards, and I will do another video about Windows 11 with network cards and stuff like that. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the like button if you liked this content, and obviously click the bell icon to see more of the videos just like this one. So yeah, now I'm going to put the tower under the table. That's where the tower it sits, and be careful. Alright, so the tower is under the desk. So let's put this bad boy up, and well, alright, so I just fixed up the front panel connector, and let's see. And what the heck? I did the same mistake. God damn it, I need to fix it again. Alright, now it's just fixed, right? And the power we have. Yay, there we go. Oh no, reset the system. Alright, so it just posted. There. And no keyboard detected. Oh, I forgot. Alright, so I forgot the cables to switch, because I have two cables coming into the monitor, sorry. Right, the one is for my laptop to connect the peripherals and stuff, and the other for the desktop towers. Alright, so let's configure the BIOS. Oh, it just updated the time. Interesting. Right, now it's just configured. So let's see. The fan speed should rise up. Alright, so I did check up a little bit on that connector, as you can see, but when I hold the connector, it's almost the same thing, but more force it is required to do that. So I declare it's fixed. Hopefully that will serve me enough. And if you wanted to know the specs, well, there you go. That's the model of that motherboard. Asus B5 G41T-M/USB 3 rare motherboard, equipped with Core 2 Quad Q9400, 8 gigs of RAM, the video card, Gigabyte GeForce GT 710 1GB version, and old school IDE hard drive, which has SATA and Molex power cables, and yeah, it's Western Digital 80 gigs, and some optical drive that I don't really care about it. And there you go, the Windows 11 is loading up, yay. And this old ass power supply, there you go. So yeah, that's really about it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you really liked this video, please consider liking this video. It really helps me to grow this channel, and it tells the algorithm to show more videos like this one. So I will see you next time.